Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 cities with the most extreme weather in the world. From the freezing cold of Norilsk, Russia, to the scorching heat of Death Valley, California, we'll take you on a journey to some of the most extreme climates on the globe. Prepare to discover cities with temperature records that hold both astonishing highs and chilling lows, as well as those with unique weather phenomena. Whether it's the relentless sun in Yuma or the unusual conditions in Dalal, Ethiopia, stay tuned as we explore what makes each of these locations so extraordinary. 1. Norilsk, Russia. Norilsk, nestled within the Arctic Circle, is infamous for its bitter cold. Winter temperatures frequently plunge to bone-chilling lows of 40 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Fahrenheit, making it one of the coldest cities in the world. The harsh, long winters can seem endless, with summer providing only a brief respite. Adding to its extreme nature, Norilsk experiences significant daylight variation, a phenomenon typical of polar regions. Residents endure long periods of darkness during winter, followed by nearly continuous daylight in summer. This stark contrast can be disorienting, affecting everything from mood to daily routines. Imagine living in a place where the sun disappears for months, only to return and refuse to set. 2. Yuma, Arizona, USA. Yuma, Arizona, is a city bathed in sunlight, earning the title of the sunniest city in the world. With over 4,000 hours of sunlight a year, Yuma's summers are blisteringly hot. Temperatures frequently soar past 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit, with some days exceeding 45 degrees Celsius, 113 degrees Fahrenheit. This relentless heat is accompanied by severe drought conditions, as Yuma is one of North America's driest places. The arid climate creates a landscape where water is scarce and vegetation struggles to survive. The constant battle against the elements is a daily reality for Yuma's residents, who must adapt their lifestyles to cope with the intense heat and dryness. 3. Oymyakon, Russia. Oymyakon holds the record for being the coldest inhabited place on Earth. Winter temperatures routinely drop below 50 degrees Celsius, 58 degrees Fahrenheit, with the mercury once plummeting to a mind-numbing 67.7 degrees Celsius, 89.9 degrees Fahrenheit, in 1933. The city is built on permafrost, posing challenges for agriculture and infrastructure. This frozen ground can be as hard and unyielding as rock, making construction and farming a daunting task. The residents of Oymyakon are accustomed to living in a world where extreme cold is a constant companion, shaping their way of life in ways unimaginable to those in milder climates. 4. Death Valley, California, USA. Death Valley is renowned for its scorching temperatures, having recorded the hottest temperature on Earth at a staggering 56.7 degrees Celsius, 134 degrees Fahrenheit. Summers here are intensely hot, with average temperatures well above 40 degrees Celsius, 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The region is part of the Mojave Desert, where rainfall is scarce, leading to extreme drought conditions. The landscape is barren and unforgiving, a testament to the relentless sun and lack of water. Living in Death Valley requires resilience and adaptability, as residents navigate the challenges posed by one of the planet's harshest environments. 5. Dalal, Ethiopia. Dalal is a place where the heat seems to be ever-present. With an average annual temperature of 34.4 degrees Celsius, 93.9 degrees Fahrenheit, it is one of the hottest places on Earth. During peak months, temperatures can surpass 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a true test of endurance. The area is also geothermally active, with hot springs, sulfur deposits, and acidic pools that add to its extreme conditions. The surreal landscape, shaped by volcanic activity, seems almost otherworldly. For those who call Dalal home, life is a constant struggle against the elements, where adaptation is key to survival. 6. Lima, Peru. Lima is a city marked by its extreme humidity, often reaching nearly 100% during cooler months. Despite its desert climate, the high humidity creates a persistent dampness that can be uncomfortable. Paradoxically, Lima receives very little rain, making it a unique urban environment. The constant humidity affects daily life, from the way clothes dry to the health of those with respiratory issues. Residents must navigate a climate that feels wet and heavy, even when the skies remain clear. 7. Jakarta, Indonesia. Jakarta is no stranger to heavy rainfall, particularly during the monsoon season. The city experiences intense rain that can exceed 400 millimeters, 15.7 inches, in a single day, often leading to flooding. Alongside the rain, Jakarta's tropical climate brings constant heat and humidity, with temperatures hovering around 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit. The combination of heat, humidity, and rain makes for a challenging environment. Residents must be prepared for sudden downpours and the accompanying challenges, such as navigating flooded streets and coping with the sweltering heat. 8. Vancouver, Canada. Vancouver is characterized by its persistent rainfall, especially during the winter months. The city receives over 1,200 millimeters, 47 inches, of rain annually, leading to frequent flooding and landslides. While its winters are mild compared to other Canadian cities, the wet conditions can feel oppressive. The constant rain shapes the city's landscape and lifestyle, with residents often needing to find ways to stay dry and active despite the gloomy weather. The rain is both a blessing and a curse, providing lush greenery while also creating challenges for those who live there. 9. Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. Ulaanbaatar is the world's coldest capital city, with winter temperatures often falling below 30 degrees Celsius, 22 degrees Fahrenheit. Situated at an altitude of over 1,300 meters, 4,265 feet, the city experiences a harsh climate exacerbated by significant wind chill. The air is dry and the winds are biting, creating a formidable environment. Residents must bundle up against the cold and find ways to stay warm in a city where winter's grip is long and unforgiving. The extreme conditions shape daily life, influencing everything from clothing choices to transportation,